Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show you how to add money from credit card to Paytm wallet. So how I'm going to add, just see this. There's simple options we have. Go to your paytm.com and under paytm.com, right, you need to click this add money to your wallet. So I'm just going to click this. Here, right, I'm just putting 100 rupees now. So add money to wallet. So here you have options BIM, UPI, these and all. It's completely your savings account and your personal banking account. Actually, it's a debit card details you can add, net banking you can add, and I'm going to use this credit card options. Here 100 rupees only, right? 55. So it's asking for OTP. I have received the OTP. So pay securely. I think that's it, done. Payment of rupees received under 100 received by Paytm. That's it, simple. See now? Yes, it's showing my credit card details that I have credit card details that I spent for 100 rupees. Okay. That's it. I'm going to check my wallet now. See, this is 100 rupees I have in my wallet now. So the transaction is also success. So this is the way you can add your credit card details to your wallet. I'm using browser. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video. Thank you. Bye.